Hey, good evening, everybody. It's Dr. Moneybags here, and I just wanted to come to you and especially some of you new folks and talk to you a little bit about honeypots. So they're also known as rug pulls and some other items, but excuse me, um, a lot of people don't understand or don't know how to identify them, and some people do. I mean, the best way is if you're going to look at purchasing coins that just launched, right? So right here we're looking at DexView, right? And if you see, I'm going to go to this leaf, and it's going to show you coins that have just launched. So for this one, uh, Feg Cake, FEG Cake, right? It launched 5 minutes ago. All right, so we're going to go through some of these tokens so that you can see how to identify honeypots. This way you know not to invest in them. So what we're going to do is we're going to isolate this to the BNB smart chain because it seems like a good portion of these always end up on the BNB chain. But well, let's see. Let's look at let's pick one. Well, we can go through a couple of them, but let's try LOL. So usually what you'll do, as you can see, is you select a coin, right? And this one is 6 zeros and a 4, and it was way up, and now it's coming way down. When you select a coin, so most likely because there's 90 billion of these in existence, it's not likely going to be a rug pull. It could still be a rug pull. They could still pull the liquidity out and kill it, but the honey pot is right here. See where it says honey pot no? If this says honey pot yes and you see a sell tax of 100%, do not invest into that token. Do not. Now, I wouldn't invest into this because the contract is not verified. So, like, if you go to my token, right, which, right, we all love the name of my token, right? If you go here, contract verified, yes. Honeypot, no. There's a buy tax and there's a sell tax, yes. And that's my current chain. So it's going up, it's going down, it's having fun. But going back to what we're saying, so you want to find that new coin that just launched, right? So we could go into BNB and let's look at Bunny Floki, right? Now there's 7 billion Bunny Floki. We go to Rug Check, contract is verified. Now this coin's actually really good, and you could buy into this at 5 zeros and a 5. But it's starting to come down, so it's been out for, well, this is on UTC time, which is about 5 or 6 hours ahead. So this launched about 30 minutes ago, and it's already on its way down. So whatever it launched at, it's like maybe 10x at best. But let's go back and check out some more. See what else we have. Let's check Lost. Now, this is how I got burned. See here, this one's a million tokens, total supply. Watch this. Honeypot, yes. Sell tax, 100%. So what happens is if you buy this and you go to sell it, you can't sell it. And you'll end up paying burn fees, or gas fees, but you'll never be able to profit. So this coin's up to $1.26. I want to show you something. Look at the money people have put into this. They bought. This is how much they're spending in buying tokens, right? So look, there's guys here spending $33,000, $11,000. This guy sold $9,000. Guarantee he didn't get a nickel, but it'll show up as sold. This is a token you run from. Now, I learned the hard way with these. Now, I just looked at this like maybe 30 minutes ago, not even, and it was at 42 cents. So people are buying and buying and buying because they're really hoping, oh, I'll get in there and da-da-da-da, right? And they'll take it. And what's going to happen is they're going to lose their shirt. So right now there is Let's see. There's 1 million in circulation. They've had already $186,000 in volume in the last 24 hours. I mean, this thing's rocketing. But the problem is, somebody's going to pull it, and all that money's going to be gone. You're going to see this price change to like 29 zeros. And it's still going to be locked in honeypot status. Like, I wish I could log in. They're having some connection problems with MetaMask today. So I wish I could connect my MetaMask wallet and show you what happened. But yeah, so a lot of the honeypots and rug pulls I've noticed have either a total supply of 1 million tokens or 7 million tokens. But we'll keep an eye on this, lost, because that's a good name, because your money is going to be lost. Let's see what else we got here. Let's check Rocket Pepe. Rocket Pepe, most likely a good coin. Yep. So most of the guys that create Pepe coins, they're usually, really trying to play off it. There's only 10 million of these. Where could the price go? Anybody knows. I jumped too far ahead. Sorry, I'm going to go back here. Excuse me. All right, so we know we're lost. Let's look at Shitpunks 404. There's 10,000 of these. This thing's $10 a token. It's still been rocketing. This is a legit token. Or at least for now it is. But, having $11 and it's only been out since 36 minutes. That's a good run. This would be a good time to get in and sell. I mean, you could make some, if you were in, you could make some quick money because there's no sell tax. You're going to get, you're not going to lose your shirt. Let's put it that way. Let's check Dark Chain. Dark Chain looks like it could be another good one. Nope, it's a honeypot. So here's a coin that it's 4 zeros and a 4, right? So, I mean, it shot up 4x, but here's the problem is you got people spending $144, $200, but these people that sold, they didn't get their money back. Their money is gone. I'm saying gone. Right? This is just, I wish I could remember the name of that token that I could show you guys where they lost some guy lost 45 grand. It was insane. But if you notice, go back to this one. This was $1 billion or 1 billion tokens, right? So, sometimes but the big thing is when you're coming in and you're looking, just always go to rug check first. If you see honeypot yes and sell tax 100%, run from this motherfucker. Do not put your money into this. That is a waste of money. It's money you're going to lose forever, and you're not even trying to lose it, but you're going to lose it. I guarantee it. So, not financial advice, because that's what everybody says. But, I mean, hey, if you want to put your money into it and lose it, go ahead. I know because I invested in something like this. I didn't check that stuff because I was stupid when I was early in, and I didn't lose a lot, but $30 is still losing $30. And this could be a warning too, is like, an unlocked wallet is holding 99.97% of the supply. That's not a good thing either. You should try to avoid these if at all possible, but these should be your signs right here that you avoid this token. Okay, so let's take a look at some others. Man, Lost dropped off. It's not even here anymore. Unless it fell way, way down. Let's see. I think it's gone. Yeah, they rug pulled. They had to. Let's go here and go with price. See if it shows up. Jeff. I thought about buying some of this, but there's 2 Jeff coins out, and one's worth more than the other. There's LOL. There's the other Jeff. So you've got 2 Jeffs. You don't really know which one you want to buy, so you got to kind of be careful with that. Neither of them are a rug pull because I already looked, but let's go back up here and type in Lost. See if it comes up. Yeah, there it is. There, look, rug pull. See how the price was $1.84? And they pulled it at 29. Yep, they got probably with all the baloney, probably about $150,000 out of that. Let's see, 56,000 they cashed out. And somebody bought 22 grand. Oh man, that sucks. That sucks. Ah, God, that's heartbreaking. But you know, that's part of the game. I mean, nobody's going to warn you. You kind of have to do your own thing. So just remember, look for this stuff, and that will help you stay a little safer when investing in brand new tokens. Yeah, look at the market cap just collapsed. Thing was what, like 200 and what was it originally? It was like 200 or 300,000, and now it's down to 24. Just rewind the video back a little bit, be able to see where it is. But that quick, they can pull it, and you're done. Yeah, they just came in and just wrecked everything. That's it. But at least this is the guy with the wallet that cashed out. That if you could trace that wallet back, you could probably hunt him down. Not saying you should do that. But, there's a group of guys I hang around with, and we were talking about, man, is there a way we could go back and get this? The last price somebody bought at was $1.85, you might as well say, per coin. And they bought 13,000 coins. That had to hurt. You imagine that guy sitting there right now watching his money has disappeared, and he's just slapping himself upside the head. And like I said, you don't learn until it's been taken, and that's what happened to me. I wanted to show you guys up here too, so kind of hard for you to see, but see how there's two Jeffs? There's one here, right? There's the one that's 4 zeros and a 2, and then here's the other Jeff that's 10 zeros and an 8. To get the biggest gains, it would probably be great to buy this one, but the problem is it's fallen off so hard, chances are it's not really going to go back up. But we're kind of more focusing on, for this video purposely, is to prevent you from losing money when trading crypto. Now, as I said, BNB is more prone to having rug pulls and honeypots than Ethereum, because Ethereum has very high gas fees. And that's why people go to BNB, because the gas fees are smaller. But there are some really great tokens on BNB. So don't let it BNB and the bullshit that happens on here destroy you from not considering it. It happens. It is what it is. Just remember, when you're going in, you find a token, just click the rug check. If you see yes and 100%, run. Okay? Run like you're running from zombies. Anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out. Share this video, like and subscribe. I don't post nearly as much as some of the other crypto influencers, because I really don't consider myself a crypto influencer. But I do post, and I want to bring news to you guys as I see it important. Thanks, and have a great night.